this exercise to remove duplicate elements from ArrayList using these methods and process 10 integers, then remove duplicate elements, in this case integer objects, from ArrayList. Okay, public static void main. Let me divide into 3 blocks: input, process, output. Okay, let me copy that method. Okay, we may need to import ArrayList. Okay, the first one, enter 10 integers. Then output. Again, we need a scanner object to process the user inputs. Import Java util scanner. Okay, we are going to use ArrayList. Elements will be integer wrapper class. Okay, default size, or you can use 10. Next one, we'll use for loop. Once we receive 10 integer values, we are going to add it in ArrayList. Let's say 10, one at a time. So list add method, you can use it to add objects to ArrayList according to next int. Let me copy this here, make it more consistent. Next one is something to do with the process. Remove, duplicate. We are passing list. Then you can think about it. Okay, we are passing list. Then you can print it outputs here. So let's go to process part. Okay, we pass the list over ArrayList, and then we need to remove elements. So we need one more ArrayList. Let me call it as a temporary ArrayList. We need a for loop. Depends on list size. So we are going to add it to temporary directory. Okay, using getI methods. So we need to have one condition. The elements in the list and the elements in temp does not match, then we add it. Okay, let's reset the list ArrayList. Then for loop. Temp size up to 10. Okay, we are going to edit based on temp array list. I think I missed the one curly blanket. That way we can remove duplicate elements in the array list of list object. Now we can just print list size I++ list get I with one space. I think I'm missing one blanket here, not there. So it should be better print. Okay, let's add numbers. Sorry, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, 4. Sorry, 3, 2, and 2, and 4. So as we can see, duplicate number is missing or removed from the original array list. Then we copy to temp array list. Then we reset. Then put it back to list of array list. So basically, we learn how to use methods belong to array list. For example, add, okay, get, and then contain methods. That's all. Thank you.